What's going on? In today's video, I'll be setting up the MicDrop from Driveline Studios on my car. It's a perfect setup to capture clean audio sound from your car while driving. It's very simple. Let's get to it. The MicDrop is simple to install. Just remove your license plate screws, line up the MicDrop mount, and bolt it right back on. It only takes a couple of minutes tops. Then just clip the DJI mic right onto the mount and you're good to go. So here's the mount. It's made out of aluminum and bolts right onto your license plate. And it securely holds the DJI mic transmitters. That way you don't have to worry about any rattles or losing the mic while driving. All right, now the mic is locked in, ready to go. Now let's hit the road and see what kind of sound we could get out of this exhaust. Let me turn the car on right now. Put on my seatbelt. So I did lower the dBs in the exhaust mic to -12 because I'm pretty sure my exhaust is very loud. So let's get to it. Let's go for a drive. I'm gonna drive on manual so we could get the most dynamic sound. And let's go towards the highway. Let me know what you guys think about the sound in the comments below. Is this a product you guys would love to buy? Let's do some downshifts too. See what that sounds like. Let's go towards the highway now. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the exhaust sound. Is it too much? Hopefully it's not too loud. Since this mic has 32-bit flow, I'll be able to lower the dBs in post. Let me take this exit here and turn around. I can't wait to see what this sounds like once I put all this footage in the computer. But as you guys saw, it's fairly simple to set up the mic mount. You could also put it in the front, so you get some sound design from the engine. I've seen way too many videos with cars that know, sound from the engine or from the exhaust, or sound that they've had to download from the internet to put over the cars. But now with the mic mount, you could get clean audio from your own car. This is definitely a game changer when it comes to car exhaust audio. Let's get back on the highway and get some more. Now let's get back on the highway and get some more car exhaust sounds while we're at it. If you guys have any questions about the mount, just let me know. Hit me up in the comments below. I'll also put a link below on where you can find this mount. I think the mount was like 50 bucks, so it's very inexpensive. Yeah, it's a little more quiet now. Like I was saying, it's very inexpensive. There should be nobody complaining about the price for this. This is definitely going to be an essential product for my car video um, journey. All right, I'm back home. Let me park this car. This has to be my favorite part. No hands. Yeah, I love this car. There you go. Super clean, no wind noise, and the mount kept my DJI mic secure the whole time. If you're looking for a proper way to get car audio from your DJI mic, then this is the way to go. Again, I'll leave the link for where to buy this mount in the description below. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.